check out this 18-in-1 docking station that I received from the company. Now this thing is awesome. There is nothing that you will not be able to put off of your computer to a screen. You can use so many things with this. It is going to be amazing. Really, really great product. I'm loving it. Now we're going to open the box up and kind of show y'all what comes in it. You have like 150 watt power adapter here that's going to plug into this thing. It's going to be able to put some juice through. Now you have your USB-C to USB-C here. This is where your laptop like MacBook or something's going to plug into this thing. You have your user manual here, and you also have a card here showing you exactly how to install the DisplayLink driver into your computer. It's got the Windows installation and it has the Mac OS installation. Super easy. I've already put this into my computer. It took like maybe 5 minutes. You just download it, accept it, and pretty much it. You have to go to the website here on the top of the corner of the card to download it. And pull this thing out. Now this thing is really nice, as you can see. So let's get a little closer to it. Like I said, guys, you got a 150 watt power adapter, your USB-C for your laptop, like a MacBook. Now, this thing has 3 HDMI ports that support 4K and 8K. You have 3 DP ports that support 4K and 8K. You have your USB port. This is where your MacBook will plug in. This is where your voltage plugs in. You're going to have 4 USB ports here. These 5 gigabytes per second. As you can see, really nice rigid top on it. Here's your power button. Here is your 20 watts, 10 gigabytes per second C-type. Your 10 gigabytes right here, 5 gigabytes per second there. Your headphone jack, your SD card slot, and it comes with a micro SD card. It also has a rubber grip on the bottom that's really nice. We're going to show this thing hooked up on a computer, kind of show y'all how it works. But this thing is going to be awesome. You're going to be able to hook 4 monitors to this, and it supports where you can have all different things on 4 monitors. It's got your Ethernet port there. 18-in-1. Really cool. As you can see, it's really nice. So let's show this thing on a computer, kind of show you how you hook it up and all that good stuff. All right, guys, we got this thing set up. I'm absolutely loving it. It is really cool. Now, we have HDMI hooked to a separate monitor. We got USB-C going to my laptop. We have USB-C going to the external monitor. This is going to make it speed really fast. You have your power button here. Now, keep in mind, you're going to be able to hook 3 other monitors if you wanted to. And you're also going to be able to hook USBs. This thing has got enough power to run near about every port that you have on it. And it's really, really nice. I'm absolutely loving it. External monitor. Here's my laptop. Now, as you can see right here, here's the cursor going all around here from my laptop. We can come up here, turn the sound on, just like that. Let's cut the sound off. We'll be able to use the arrow keys here to make the motorcycle go there. Now, keep in mind how fast this game's playing. It's all playing through this dock. So the speeds are really quick. I've surfed the internet on this thing. It has went really quick. This game is actually on the web itself. So everything about this thing is super cool. You're gonna be able to run all kind of devices off of it. So Really, really highly recommend this thing. It's going to be great. I'm able to use it for so much. So really great product.